Take a look at the beauty of the nature.
Hello! It's me, your mamita. As you can see, a lot of white birds. I'm on the lakeside. Yay! Hello, birds! So from that direction to this direction,
I feel a special connection with nature. The beautiful moments that the nature can give us should be cherished. And it is all about to remind people of the beautiful moments that are in our everyday's life. Sitting by the lakeside is such a peaceful experience. The world slows down and you can take the time to appreciate the moment. I read something about why are lakes calming. Science explains why we feel more relaxed by looking at water on a biological level. Seeing and hearing the soothing sounds of moving water triggers a response in our brains. Spending time near the water actually lowers stress and anxiety, increasing an overall sense of well-being and happiness.
so that is the glimpse of our refinery where Mamita is working. But we have 2 days holiday because of Vietnamese Independence Day yesterday, 2nd of September. So Mamita can chillax and capture some good memories, videos of these white birds. So back to Mamita. So my 2 boys are waiting for me in the villa. So you see, that's the white birds. That's it. So Mamita go down from that side, that green bollards. So from that side, Mamita goes down on this. So I cannot bring the 2 boys. They're in the villa. So let's get started cooking the coconut cream. So I will extract the cocoa oil. This is the oil that I'm using for the paws of my 2 boys. So they will soften their paws. Yeah, because Haruki's paws is very rough now. So Tein discovered from Google. So she searched it. So it's best to use this coconut oil. Okay, let's get started. Yeah.
So I put it in the low fire only. Okay. Let's see. So one tin, I can extract at least for 7 days or 1 week application of oil. So that is the bedtime routine, new bedtime routine of Mamita and for the 2 boys. Boiling now. I reduce again. And this one, I have a lot of this container. So this is the new one because I don't want to contaminate while I'm applying for Haruki. So I have another container for one usage application. So now I can turn it off the heat because a lot of oil already. Wow. So I think this one, it will be for more than 7 days. But I will try to use it on my hair tomorrow, on my scalp. So, and then I can have the healthy hair. I will turn it off first, the heat. Now I'm gonna extract now the oil. Cocoa oil. 1 bowl. Oil extracted from that cocoa milk and the Latik. That's it. This is for at least more than 7 days application for Haruki's paws every night. So Mamita bedtime routine, I will show you later. What is Mamita's bedtime routine, Haru? So Mamita have a new duties for these 2 boys, especially for Haruki. So I'm applying a coconut oil on his paws. Yes, Haru. Mamita's tip 101 for the paws of the fur babies. Show it to the video. Show it to the vlog, Haru. Your paws. Okay. Wait, let's get started. Few days, you can feel the roughness of their paws will be softened, and then maybe a few days you can also, this is the 6th day, so in 1 week there is a difference, huh? Haru, I can feel it, mommy. My paws become soft. So I'm just playing with him so that he will not lick his feet. Na, Haru? Massage ko ni mommy the joints. Okay, hope you get some tips from Mamita and Haruki. Good night, Haru. Good night, vlog. Good night for babies. So Mamita's breakfast for this morning is fried banana with my Latik from last night, coconut oil making, coconut oil extraction, and of course the honey, and my Vietnamese coffee. Capturing magical day-to-day moments in your home is a moment captured worth so much more than a moment forgotten.